Hey guys, this is going to be a real quick, raw, unedited video to just bring some things to your guys' attention. Okay, firstly, I want to start out with a public service announcement. A lot of you guys have been messaging me pointing out scammers on my channel. Okay, that's people that are pretending to be me in the comments and are saying that you guys won a prize, and in order to claim the prize, you need to message somebody on WhatsApp or through an email and send them a payment for shipping. Okay, this is 100% a total scam. Please don't fall for it. And this is a real pain point, not just for me, but all YouTubers in general, is that these types of scams are unfortunately a very lucrative business. So I'm asking you to do something about it. Don't just ignore it. Don't just click the report or spam button on their comment, because if everyone just ignores it, except for the people that fall for it, that's what makes this worth their time to try to do. So what I want you to do, if you have the time and are willing to help out, then string along the scammer for as long as possible. Go ahead and jump through all the hoops. Obviously, don't give them any personal information. Give them a fake name, a fake email, fake whatever, and just string them along as long as possible. Ask ridiculous questions, and basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to make them work hard for something that they're not going to get. Because if the only people that they talk to are the people that are falling for the scam, that, as you can see, is extremely lucrative for them. So what we want to do is just make it not worth their time and effort. So if you guys could do that for me, just string them along as long as possible, and then at the very end you can make fun of them, humiliate them, insult them, whatever. And what we want them to know really is that this channel is just not worth their effort, that they are going to more than likely be the ones that end up getting scammed. They're the ones that are going to be out their time and effort and resources, and they're not going to make any money on it. So I want to let you know that if you guys win anything, I will never ask you to cover the shipping charges. All the giveaways that I do, shipping is on me. So I will never ask for your money for anything unless you are making a legitimate purchase from my website where you willingly type in my web address or click on a link in my video description, not a comment, and make a purchase, and it will be a safe purchase done through PayPal where you will have buyer protection. Now, speaking of giveaways, I am actually doing a giveaway, but my giveaways are reserved only for my Patreon supporters of $5 tiers or higher. So this beautiful guitar kit that I'm showing you right here is a custom laser engraved Telecaster Deluxe style guitar kit. I'm going to be giving away this guitar in this Friday's upcoming video where I show you how I did this. And so if you're not a Patreon supporter and you've been considering it, now would be a good time to jump in. Or if you support me at the $1 tier and you've been thinking about upgrading to a $5 tier or more, now would be a good time. You've got 24 hours to comment on the post that I just posted, and then I'm going to be picking the winner tomorrow. I really want to thank my Patreon supporters. They have been absolutely critical to the success of this channel. And giveaways are just one of the very few benefits that I offer of supporting me on Patreon. And honestly, I've been pretty lousy about it. I think I've only done a handful of giveaways since I've started Patreon. But my goal now that I'm stationary, not traveling in an RV as much, is I want to do giveaways like this every month. So go ahead and head over to Patreon. If you like what I'm doing on this channel and you want to support it, you want to support more content, Patreon is the best way to do it. And as a benefit, you'll be entered in a chance to win this guitar kit or something else every month from here on out. That's my new commitment starting now, which is another reason why I'm making this video, is because once I make this video live, I need to be held accountable to my word and actually do these giveaways. So like I said, if anyone ever comments on one of my videos pretending to be me, it'll be pretty obvious because their name will not actually say Guns and Guitars. It'll say text a number or it'll be something else. It'll be very obviously a scam. If they reach out to you saying that you won a prize and then you follow their link or chat with them on WhatsApp and they try to get you to pay shipping, you know 100% it's not me. I would never ask for payment information outside of my website, and I will never ask you to pay for shipping on something that you rightfully won. So like I said, string those scammers along as possible. If you have the time to do that, I would really appreciate it. Let's make it not worth their effort to try to pull off these scams anymore. Thank you so much for supporting this channel, and I will see you guys on Friday.